Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing this beautiful set of Lisa Frank nails. This is all Dollar Tree products, you guys. So let's get started. I am removing the shine with my drill and the sanding band from Coupa. This is a fine sanding band, and I'm also using this buffer from the Dollar Tree. So for the tips, I am using these Kiss Natural Nail Tips from the Dollar Tree. Once again, a lot of these products is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just using this Kiss glue, also from the Dollar Tree, you guys. So don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. They have so many things. So I am just gonna be using these as tips. I know you could use these for press-ons, but we are just going to be using them for tips for today. And I'm just sizing them all up and seeing what fits where, making sure that they're gonna end up being some good tips. Hopefully, I'm just kidding. They actually ended up coming out really, really good, you guys. I was actually really shocked. But we are going to be doing double tips. I am going to be overlapping them, so you guys are gonna also see me add the bottom. So here you see me sizing the thumb tip to see how I'm gonna do this, because I've actually never done this before at all. So this is actually the first time I'm trying to double tip any tips at all. So I am just applying a little bit of the Kiss glue from the Dollar Tree onto the free edge of the tip and adding the other tip right above that one. And I'm just making sure that they're gonna go on as straight as they can. And yeah, this actual little tip set gives you 20 tips, so that's pretty good. So for this shape, we're just gonna go with the stiletto shape. I haven't done stiletto in so long, so I thought, this might be a good idea. And the way the tips are curving as well, I was like, they're not gonna come out looking too good, I think, if I shape them a coffin shape. But you never know, maybe if I would have done it a certain way, or if I just would have left the one tip, it could have. But the same little what's it called, I was gonna say nipper, but the same little clipper that I'm using is from the Dollar Tree as well. The file I am using is not from the Dollar Tree. For some reason I was looking for my Dollar Tree files and I couldn't find them in my room. I'm like, what the heck? But I had already, you know, prepped everything, set up everything, and I'm like, I'm not gonna spend any more time looking for it. But anyway, I just use my file here that I get on Amazon. I'll leave the link for that down below, you guys. These actual files are super, super good. But as you guys can see, I already shaped them up. I feel like stiletto's the easiest shape to do. I don't know why people have more, a hard time doing these. These are the easiest shape. So if you are starting and beginning in nails, just know that you can probably make a lot of money just doing stilettos. But you do also want to learn the other shapes. But yeah, I also use the file to blend them. Anyway, we're going to be using this little cute beige nude color. It is the number 517, and this is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just using this as a background color. I'm not going to leave it like this. This is actually going to be encapsulated. The whole design is going to be encapsulated with clear acrylic. So obviously, guys, my clear acrylic and monomer powder and whatnot is not from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, they don't have that, so I mean, I don't blame them. That would be weird, but I mean, if they did have it, that'd be kind of interesting. But anyway, maybe somebody should email the Dollar Tree. Anywho, so we are just going to be using these little sponges and these colors right here. The pink color is actually the number 888. The purple color was 233, and the green, I didn't see a number on it, but it's called Green Glow. I found it on the bottle somewhere. But we are just going to be kind of doing an ombre. So we are going to do a polish ombre so that we can put that on the base under the design, because I was kind of freestyling this, you guys. So I didn't really know the direction I was going. I just knew that I wanted some type of ombre under the nails to see how that would come out. So I actually, when I was done, it actually turned out really good. So I was so glad that I did this part right here. It was a great background for the Lisa Frank sticker decals that I have. I'm calling them decals, but they're not decals. They're just stickers, guys. I found them in, I think, the kids department where all the stickers are. So you'd be surprised what you guys find. I had a blast there at that Dollar Tree. This was my first time at this Dollar Tree, and I think I did a whatchamacallit, I don't know why I'm babbling right now, but I did a haul, you guys. And if you guys want to see, it is the last video that I uploaded, and I will actually leave that in the description box down below so you guys can check it out. That video was amazing. I was so happy that I went into this Dollar Tree. And you guys, I was kind of mad at myself because I live so close to this Dollar Tree. I'm obviously in the city where there's so many Dollar Trees, so I was kind of mad at myself because this was a Dollar Tree I would always go to a long time ago. So I was kind of neglecting ever going there, thinking they never have anything good, and I was so shocked that they did now. Because basically, I don't know if you guys know, but Deals was a store back then that was kind of like the Dollar Tree, but it was kind of like Dollar General, so not everything was $1, and they converted it to a Dollar Tree, so that was kind of cool. But it kind of was like lame in the beginning, and now it's pretty good. It's popping in there, so I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna neglect that Dollar Tree anymore. But you guys can see I'm going to be doing 3 coats, I think I did, of the ombre, but you can do less if you feel fine with the first or second coat. I'm gonna do 3, and the middle one, honestly, I kind of did that for no reason because I changed my mind while I was doing the nails, but that's okay. So here I am adding all the little glitters, also from the Dollar Tree. The little containers are not from the Dollar Tree, but these containers are amazing, and they're super cheap, and I got them on Amazon, you guys. You get like 50 of them for like $8 or less, I believe. So I'll leave the link for that down below. You guys need to check those out. They are a great essential for your nail room or your nail business. If you ever want to save little Fimos too, I've done that. If you ever want to save little crystals, you can put them in those little containers. But this color that I'm using right now, the silver, I'm just using it because I'm going to do a sugar effect kind of on it. Even though this is going to be under the acrylic, I still wanted to keep some kind of, I guess, glittery polish under. But the Dollar Tree has color glitter, so if I don't really have the pink glitter or the other glitters, but I am going to be getting them, seeing that I could have used that right now. But I'm just using the nail polish Kiss Gel Shine. It doesn't really have a color on the bottle, so sorry you guys, but it's just the silver glittery polish. So yeah, we're using that for the underneath in case the whole nail doesn't get covered by the glitter. There is some little glitter underneath that can peek out. And we're doing the ombre with the glitter as well right on top. And this is gonna come out so cute. I really love that, the way it looked. It would have even looked nice just leaving it like that, to be honest. But obviously I did want to go into these little stickers here from Lisa Frank. These give me nostalgia so bad from when I was in elementary school. I loved Lisa Frank everything, you guys. So here we are, just figuring out what I'm gonna be doing. I'm putting random stuff everywhere, changing my mind. And I think I took that candy cane one off too and changed it up, so you'll see that in a little bit. And then here, I was like, ooh, this cheetah one would be so great. I used to have a notebook with this exact cheetah on it when I was in like 4th grade. So I just placed it on top of the nail and started trimming around it to kind of get rid of all that excess sticker that we do not need. So these scissors are also from the Dollar Tree. You guys saw the little manicure set that I showed you in the beginning. It has all of these cute little trinkets in there that you may use. The little pusher I also got off the Dollar Tree, you guys. I don't think I showed it, but I did push my cuticles back with the little pusher from that little kit, the manicure kit, and it came out so good. I really like that little manicure set. It has a bunch of little things you may use, you know? So I did apply a little glue onto this one right here because the little glitter ones were a little hard to stick on anything because, you know, glitter is gritty, so there was no way it wanted to stick on. So I used this nail glue dryer to kind of like dry them super quickly. For some reason, this one that didn't really need too much glue. This one was fine. I don't know why, but it was okay. But I think I did still add some glue because I sprayed it just there. Also, I think, did I change anything else? No, I think that's it. I think I was happy with the way it looked. And here we are. I'm using my Coupa monomer and polymer. We are just encapsulating it with the liquid and powder basically, and we just want to make sure there's enough product to cover up the designs so that when we go into filing, we're not removing anything, you guys. And earlier I was looking at my book from nail school, and I was starting to basically look at what I remember from what I've learned and all the technical terms. So I really want to do a video. If you guys want, let me know, comment down below and let me know if you want me to show you guys on video how my book looks like from nail school and what I learned and what you're going to be learning. If any of you guys are interested, I think that'll be a cool video so you guys can see. So here we are. We're going to be encapsulating the little cheetah in the middle. I really love this little cheetah. Like I told you guys, I remember having this little cheetah guy on one of my notebooks, or not my notebooks, I think like a little folder at school in 4th grade. And I think I also had a backpack that would roll with the Lisa Frank design. I don't know. I don't know if I've seen Lisa Frank stuff lately or not. I think she came back in style. Not really sure. But a lot of things have come back in style from the millennium, you guys. Even though I think she came out in the 90s. I'm not really sure. It had to be the 90s because I was in 4th grade actually. Yeah, I was like in, let me see, I think it was 1999 when I went to 4th grade. Whoa. Okay, so anyway, you guys, yeah, we're almost done adding this, and my brush here that I'm using is a number 20, just in case I forgot to mention, because I do get a lot of people asking what technically they ask where I got it from, and I can't really link anything down below because I didn't get it online. I got it at my local nail supply store. And this brush, I'm telling you guys, is everything. I've had it for so long. I feel like this is the brush that I've had the longest. I've messed up so many brushes, but that's also because I didn't know how to take care of them. And I will give you guys a great tip. Every time I'm done using the brush, whether it's on myself or on my clients, I just leave it in acetone and half, so it's basically half acetone, half monomer, and I leave it there for 10 minutes and clean it off and put it away, upside down, so it's not, well, not upside down, well, the brush facing down, so that, because I've seen people put it in their little cup holder and basically the resin and stuff, well, not the resin, but the monomer and liquid start running down the brush, and that's not good. But yeah, so I am just taking this nail file and shaping back up the nails, and we are going to take this e-file with a medium carbide bit, and we are going to go around the cuticle area and the surface of the nail so that we could remove anything from, well, the acrylic that is stuck to the skin or anything like that. We're going to remove so that's not stuck on the skin or whatnot, and we're also removing all the lumps and bumps off the surface of the nail. But I do go back and forth, you guys. Sometimes I will do the cuticle area and then the surface of the nail, and then I'll go back to the cuticle area just to make sure everything is removed that shouldn't be there, because you should be able to see, your skin, basically your cuticle, then a little bit of the natural nail, and then you should be able to see where the acrylic starts, so that you can see they are, one, artificial nails, and two, you just want to make sure that you're not going to have issues with lifting. So I'm taking this Dollar Tree buffer that I got, obviously at the Dollar Tree. It has so many sides, but this is the side that I'm using, the purple side, and I'm just going on top of the nail and underneath the nail. I also got this little spray bottle at the Dollar Tree, you guys, and I put my alcohol in there, and I'm just spraying the nails and taking a little wipe of a piece of paper towel to cleanse them. And now I can open up this cute little bow set nail art from the Dollar Tree. Also, you guys, you'll be surprised what you find at the Dollar Tree. Like I said, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, you guys. If you're a beginner, this is like the perfect place to start. Just make sure you have some liquid and powder at home to practice with, and you can save a lot of money with things at the Dollar Tree, you guys. I'm telling you, that is exactly what I did. And look, I'm doing this so you guys can see that it really is easy and accessible. So I'm just adding the glue and placing the little bows on top, and I did want to take the little spray that I have to make sure that they dry. The spray is actually like a nail glue spray, and I get it at Sally's, or it's like literally 10 bucks though, but I've had it for so long. So these little diamonds I did get at the Dollar Tree too, and I thought that this would be great for this design. So I am just gonna take this little pink one, but you guys, I end up removing it because I ended up not liking it for whatever reason. You'll see me remove it in a minute. But I did really like the one that I put on my thumb, so you guys will see that next. And I think we're also adding one onto the pinky, but the one that we're adding onto the thumb is the one with the blue. I thought that would go great with the lips and the little ice cream cone at the end, because there's like a lot of blue in this design. and they are stick on, but I really feel like it would have been better for me to just remove the little glue on the back and glue it down instead of stick it on, because literally my thumb one, the blue little part already came off, but that's okay. So for you guys, I would just suggest glue it down instead. I kind of already knew that was going to happen though, because I wasn't planning on keeping these on that long. I can't really wear stilettos because of my daughter. She's 2, and every time I change her, I either hurt her or myself, and I'm like, no. So they honestly sadly have to come off. So here you guys see I'm gonna be removing the little diamond thing while I was applying my D&D gel polish. This is a non-cleanse one, by the way, the number 900. Don't get it confused with the number 600. That is not non-cleanse, but the number 900 is. But yeah, we're adding it on all of the nails, and I am curing it under my LED lamp for 1 minute, you guys. And after curing, I am just going to be adding my cuticle oil. It is mango scented. I love it so much. I'm thinking of starting to sell it, you guys. So if you guys are interested in buying my cuticle oil in a pen, so it's going to be a little cuticle oil pen, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would be interested in buying that. It smells really, really good, to be honest. I really don't ever come across mango scented oil. So that is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I had so much fun doing this video. I love Lisa Frank. It's so cute. This was amazing to do. All Dollar Tree, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys again. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, so that every time I upload, you guys can see my videos. You'll be the first ones to see them, guys. Thank you so much once again. Bye-bye.